A stock you own drifts down 2% over a few weeks. Nothing dramatic, no headline. Most people wouldn't think twice. But underneath, that can be somebody very large steadily getting out. And the reason it looks calm is that they are being careful not to spook anyone. Here's why. If a fund holding millions of shares dumped them all at once, the price would collapse before they finished, and they would get a terrible result. So they leave slowly, feeding shares out over weeks. That patience is what makes big selling so hard to see, and it's also what leaves a trace. The trace isn't whether the stock went up or down. It's where it finishes inside its own daily range. Every day, a stock has a high and a low. If buyers are in control, it tends to close near the top of that range. If sellers are pressing, it keeps closing near the bottom. One day means nothing. 20 days of the same behavior means something. Then you weigh it by volume, which is how many shares changed hands. A stock drifting down on very light volume is mostly boredom. A stock closing weekday after day on heavy volume is somebody actually leaving. Same price move on the chart. Completely different story underneath. Our trading trend page runs that calculation on every stock, every day, and turns it into one number. Strong buying at one end, strong selling at the other. So instead of squinting at candles, you can see at a glance whether pressure is building or fading on something you own. Now the limit, because you should always know where a tool stops. It can't tell you who is selling. That data simply isn't public in real time, and anybody claiming to know which fund is behind a move is guessing. It tells you pressure exists, not whose pressure it is. And it isn't telling you to do anything. Selling pressure isn't a sell signal. Plenty of stocks are under pressure and go on to do well, and plenty look strong right before bad news. What you get is one more honest piece of information about something you already own. Visit us at smartcharts.co, where we explain the stock market in plain English for people who were never given the manual. Nothing here is financial advice.